Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy's 2002 to 2014 Avalanche, 2000 to 2014 Suburban, GMC's 2000 to 2014 Yukon XL, and Cadillac's 02 to 14 Escalade. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the two bolts retaining the lower trailing arm. Next, hold the part up to the frame to see its coverage. Mark out a cut line 1 inch from the bottom of the frame rail. Step 3. Cut on this line, removing the bottom of the frame rail. As well as the lower trailing arm mount. Grind the frame so that it's free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by covering the part and the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Slide the part into place using the factory frame holes for alignment. Followed by welding it fully into place. Finally, reinstall your lower trailing arm, and you're done.